Welcome to Earth Science. So, one of the things I wanted to get into a little bit, you guys worked with this last week, and I'm a little beat up here, but we're not going to have any new tests or anything. This is just kind of filling in some of the blanks that I wish we had more time to fill in. One of the questions you should ask of all your teachers, especially your science teachers, is how do we know this? How do we know how old these rocks are and what's been going on through time and all of this? So, there's a couple techniques, and I think through the next, I don't know, couple days we'll talk about some of those techniques. But I'm not going to do it specifically today. What I'm more going to ask is you to think about this. Here's 4 board games, and you guys know my obsessions. Which of these would I have had to have put down first? Because we know I treat these gently. I put them away one at a time. Out of those 4 that are sitting there, which must I have put down first? Which must I have put down second and third, and so on? Now, you weren't in my house, you weren't watching me when I did this, right? When I made this stack. But you can gather evidence from this to figure out what must have happened in the past. What must have happened when you weren't watching. How is that like rock layers? So this is a picture off my computer. One of mine from, this is somewhere between Boonville and Lowville. And what we've got is a whole bunch of sedimentary rock layers. And the sedimentary rocks, they're like pages of a book. They tell us what was going on at the time. If we know what kind of rock this is, we know what kind of environment it must have formed in, because we can see those environments today. So using this same principle, which of these rock layers must have been put down first? Which of these rock layers must have been put down second, third, so on? Think about that, and we'll add a few more layers to it, and we'll start to get towards how do we know about all of this stuff. Sound good? All right. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Earth Science.